Hi guys, so we're back with another video.
Move this nigga, shit.
Don't tell me move this nigga.
Hey.
Talk about my booty like that.
How that looks. How this looks. Oh, I think
The hands are cool.
Alright.
So you're touching my skin.
Anyways.
Hi guys, so we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing the snack crate.
It's Sistee Code.
You know how it goes.
It's Sistee Code.
Stop!
Nah, bro. It's Sistee Code.
You know how it goes.
Ride or die, you know we went full.
Alright, cool. So in this video we're gonna be showing you about this snack crate. I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across it and I was like, I know my sister and I can do this. So I got it. It was cheap and yeah, we're just gonna open the box for you guys. So this is what the box looks like.
Your address is
Let me zoom into that. I don't know if it's... Okay, I guess.
Snack crate.
Snack Crave.
Crate.
A crate. I thought it was Snack Crave.
I'm dead.
What is Snack Crave?
So as soon as you open the box, it looks like this. Whoa.
It has like where these snacks come from.
Oh, the origin of the snack.
Yeah, so this one's Poland. So we're gonna eat Polish snacks. And then they advertise some stuff. So like this one's about heat. And some stickers for children.
Yeah, these
Yeah.
have. So yeah, so once you open your box, it looks like this. They say a little cute thing. It says, "Welcome to this month's snacking adventure, the social with us. Share your snack experience. Hashtag snack crate." So obviously we'll do that. Take a picture.
Of what?
Snack crate.
One more.
Stop.
Okay. I don't know if that's low, but anyways, keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, so we're gonna open it.
You gotta show them how you open it and stuff. We should get up close and we should, while we're eating it, we should do what's that thing called when you do those crazy songs, like a mukbang, but it's not
Mukbang.
like, oh, mukbang. I'll hold it and you. So this is it. That's the socials or whatever. Now open it.
And then it comes with the little, I don't know if that's the flag or whatever, where the circle is. The circle?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The sticker. I don't know if that's the so as we open it, you see,
The camera's slanted.
okay.
But yeah.
So yeah, as soon as you open it, we see that we get this, and it's called Tapsy.
Where do you see Tapsy? Oh shoot.
Idiot.
I thought it was supposed to be an E, like the way it goes wrong like that.
So I'm not even gonna try to pronounce anything on there, but it says it comes with cheese and onion, so we're gonna try it out.
Not English, so I can't pronounce it.
I just said that.
I didn't hear you say.
So it's got cheese and onion, so we're gonna go ahead and taste it.
It's definitely chips, not crisp.
You don't know.
It's chips.
So when you open it, it kind of looks like a shell thing.
It smells too
Smells
cheesy.
kind of. It smells right.
I'm gonna have to brush my teeth after this.
I'm gonna have to brush my teeth. Okay, this already tastes like something in the UK. You know, Crave. And tastes good.
I'm not eating this.
You don't like it?
I don't like the texture.
Why? Because it melts in your mouth.
So girl, I don't want that. I don't want it. Man, my flash grow. I hate them things. The only ones I eat is the Chinese ones from the Chinese store. That's what it tastes like. Like it's got that same type of texture. But
So then the next one.
I hope you got some chocolate. What we're doing next? Just pick one. Pretzels!
Okay, so we're gonna eat some of these.
Take your face out of the camera. Did I show you? I thought it was upside down.
So I'm guessing it's bacon pretzels.
Yeah. Bacon pretzels. I got baking soda. I got burgers. Let me see.
I don't like bacon.
Shut up, girl. Acting like you don't like bacon.
I don't like bacon. When have you ever seen me eat bacon?
Smells like a pretzel.
Yeah, that definitely tastes like ham. Ugh.
Stop. Why are you acting like you don't eat bacon though? Like
I don't eat bacon though.
You don't eat British bacon. You eat Bermuda bacon. Stop it.
Yeah, but we always used to get turkey bacon anyway, so
Stop lying.
Why you?
She is cap. She is
Don't put
cap.
this up. Don't put this up.
Why?
Because I said don't put this up.
Who you told that you don't eat bacon?
I told everyone I don't eat bacon. Because I don't eat bacon.
This just started because when we used to live in Bermuda, we eat bacon.
I never used to eat bacon in Bermuda. This is why I used to eat bacon. I used to eat sausages.
This girl. Okay, whatever. We'll get on to that one because I don't like these either.
Okay, so.
Do you want it?
No, man. So the next one we're about to taste. I want to taste this. I want to know what this is.
It's a hard.
It looks like a pancake thing. It looks like it could be stuffed with like chocolate or something.
Let me see. It's a biscuit. That's it.
It looks like it could be stuffed with like Nutella.
She's wishing for too much, man.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try it.
It looks like it's cinnamony.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon something.
It tastes like hot cross buns.
Yeah, this is fine. It melts in your mouth.
I like this.
Polish people, you did good on this one. I like it.
I like it.
It's decent.
You want more?
Nah, you bit off of that. I'm good. Alright.
What's the last one?
So they got some candies in here. Wait, is it more than one? Dude, they feel gross.
Why?
Why do they feel like this? Ugh. It feels
like what?
You know, only girls would know about this, but you know, like when nipple covers, that's what it feels like. Like the ones that look like chicken fillets, that's what it feels like.
The jelly thing?
Yeah. Fresh, fruity. And then that's Polish. I don't know what that says. So yeah, I think, are they all the same flavor or something? I'm confused. Oh no, they're not. Which one you want to taste first? They got pineapple, lime, orange, and raspberry. Then, oh wait, it's the same thing. Okay. This. The only thing in English that it says is fresh and fruity. Ready? You ate it? Oh. Come on. Smell it. I'm gonna smell it.
Oh, I like these kinds.
It smells sweet. Mine is a different color from yours.
like in Bermuda. What's that called? What's the candy called? That mango one. And it came in the yellow packet.
Mine's definitely raspberry. I don't know what to call, but I know what candies you're talking about. This tastes nice. This tastes real nice. Like when you bite it, it's got sugar on the edges, and then in the inside it's just it tastes so good. Let me show you guys. Wow, bam!
That was good. That's what you get.
I don't even like candy. I'm a chocolate girl.
Last but not least,
This one.
so yeah, so it says Prince Polo. So I'm guessing it's like a little wafer. It's got a little wafer on it. See?
I don't like wafers, but okay. I might like this one.
Break it over the box.
She said break it over the box.
Fuck you disgusting girl.
This tastes like dark chocolate. I mean, it smells like dark chocolate.
It is dark chocolate.
I like dark
it.
chocolate. No? You don't like dark chocolate?
I like dark chocolate, but I only the actual chocolate.
I don't like wafers, but this is alright.
Well, that wraps it up for snack crate.
Do you get this every
Next
month?
month I'm gonna get another one, yeah.
Lit, lit, lit.
Hopefully it's the Mexican one because I'm waiting for the Mexican candy.
No, we don't need Mexican because you already know what Mexican candy tastes like.
No, but I wanna try it again.
I'm not a fan of Mexican candy because the candy is like, it's spicy. I don't have nothing wrong with spicy, but candy, why is it spicy? It makes no sense. But my favorite was the little candy.
This one more less than me, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll take it. But that wraps up this video. Make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe. And make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend because we're gonna keep on bringing you videos.